The central body of the Ranee clan recently honored founding member Flora Ranee at her residence in North Shillong. The ceremony was led by President Donna Ranee and General Secretary Ronnie M. Ranee, who presented her with a traditional shawl and a memento in recognition of her contributions. Founded on the 7th of March 1981 in Laban, Shillong, by around 70 members, the organization was created to uphold the clan's matrilineal traditions and cultural values. During the event, Flora Ranee shared an oral account tracing the clan's roots to 4 royal sisters from Bengal who fled persecution and found refuge in the Khasi Hills. These women are believed to be the ancestors of 4 clans, including Ranee. The organization plans further research to explore possible links with other clans of similar lineage. The president highlighted the importance of strengthening the organization in accordance with the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council's guidelines and protecting the clan name from misuse. The leadership also announced plans to honor all surviving founder members through upcoming programs.
Chứng một bản xanh và tăng là đủ cả nhiều trách này March khát khăn đại phá quấy hay những trong ý con Smooth Zealand Rani Hamadan Laban là rai ru bản snai ya constitution là thung ru ya kino kiết cam haka te kasi kum cả họp working committee adin cái tên kinh rang là xanh ru ya ka xanh kur Rani adon cái general meeting haka apolai trek brai me khát khăn spa popular kasing nasi Dominic School batikam jong akur kilayan shikmat ter hadu kini kismi islam ajar hosan bangilala peniem ya kaseng kur syakadar rakur hapo kan gabriel nyok trep kejami